Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to learn Wortschatz beim Arzt. Means when you are visiting a doctor, what kind of words, what kind of vocabulary you can use. This is very useful for all those who are in medical profession, nurse or doctors. So let's get started. Du sollst zum Arzt gehen. This is very basic sentence. You should go to the doctor. Der Arzt or die Ärztin, female doctor. Du sollst zum Arzt gehen. Das Wartezimmer, waiting room. Sometimes doctor is busy and you stay or you wait in the waiting room. Ich bin im Wartezimmer. I am in the waiting room. Das ist das Wartezimmer. Bitte warten Sie hier. This is the waiting room. Please wait here. Die Untersuchung means diagnose. Doctor diagnosed the patient. Der Arzt untersucht den Patienten. Die Krankenversicherungskarte, it's insurance, medical insurance card. In Germany, it is compulsory for all the people to have medical insurance card. Ich finde leider nicht meine Krankenversicherungskarte. I'm not able to find, unfortunately, my medical insurance card. The Impfung, vaccination. Impfen to vaccine. Welche Impfung ist notwendig? Which vaccination is necessary, notwendig? Ich habe mich gestern impfen lassen. Okay, I got myself vaccinated yesterday. Impfen lassen. Schmerzen, pain. Ich habe Halsschmerzen, Zahnschmerzen, etc. Mir tut der Hals oder Zahn weh. Weh tut means to get hurt. Hals or Zahn is getting hurt. My teeth, okay, my tooth or my throat is getting hurt, is paining. Ich war bei meinem Hausarzt. I was with my Hausarzt, family doctor. I was with my family doctor, Hausarzt. Nehmen Sie den Verband. Verband, dressing. Please take the dressing. The nurse has done dressing. Then die Krankenschwester hat den Verband gemacht. She has done the dressing. Verband machen. Die Salbe, ointment, cream. Okay, he's applying the cream. Trägt die Salbe auf, auftragen, to apply. Bleibt im Bett seit 2 Tagen. He's in the bed since 2 days. Means he's sick. He's unwell. Ungesund. Medikament verschreiben, to recommend medicine. Then Rollstuhl means wheelchair. Das Thermometer. Die Verletzung, injury. Blutdruck messen, to measure blood pressure. To measure blood pressure, Blutdruck. These are all different words related to the medical profession, which is very important. You can learn them or you can make sentences. Then Tropfen means drops. Okay. Die Praxis, clinic. Praxis von Herr Weber, clinic of Mr. Weber. Der Notarzt, emergency doctor. Notarzt, emergency doctor. The allergy, allergy. Many people have allergy. The allergy. You should go to the doctor. This is a basic sentence I told you in the beginning. Du sollst zum Arzt gehen. Zum Arzt or zur Ärztin gehen. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.